Let me share with you how to make a classic 3-shredded stir-fried noodles. This homemade version is so full of flavor that it can easily become your new favorite, even better than the version from your local food stall. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You will need 1 good handful of bean sprouts, half an onion sliced thinly, 1 small carrot cut into thin strips, and a few spring onions cut into segments. Also, have about 200 grams of pre-soaked noodles ready, which helps them cook quickly and evenly. Place your wok over medium-high heat and add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Crack 1 egg directly into the hot oil. Let it cook for just a moment until the edges start to sizzle and set. Then quickly scramble it with your spatula. This creates soft, fluffy curds. Now add the shredded carrot and the white parts of the spring onions to the wok. Follow with about 1 sliced gochujang ham sausage that kids love and a sliced onion. Stir fry everything together for about 2 minutes until the vegetables begin to soften. Add the pre-soaked noodles to the wok. Stir fry them with the other ingredients for 1 full minute over high heat. Keep tossing everything together so the noodles begin to absorb the flavors and mix well with the vegetables and ham. It is important to keep the heat on high. This intense heat is what gives the noodles a slightly smoky restaurant-quality taste, often called wok air. A well-maintained wok will prevent the noodles from sticking, even at this high temperature. Now add the handful of fresh bean sprouts. By adding them now, they will stay wonderfully crisp and provide a refreshing crunch in every bite, contrasting beautifully with the soft noodles. For the seasoning, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and half a teaspoon of dark soy sauce for a rich, appealing color. Toss everything to coat evenly. Continue to stir fry over high heat. The goal is to cook the noodles until they are dry, fragrant, and start to make a lively sizzling sound as they dance in the wok. This is the sign that they are perfectly done. Your stir-fried noodles are ready. Serve them immediately while they are hot and steamy. The combination of textures from the soft noodles, crisp bean sprouts, and savory ham, all wrapped in that smoky wok flavor, is an incredibly satisfying experience. This is a dish that truly celebrates the joy of home cooking.